Humankind craves revolutionary changes. And while new innovations make our lives better every day, introducing XGIMI's new entertainment system, H1. This is a home theater. Thousands of dollars for an HD TV, cable boxes, and premium sound equipment, all stacked against the wall. But this is H1, your home theater reinvented. With H1, you'll only need to focus on one thing: your entertainment. Just connect your devices via Wi-Fi to seamlessly stream your favorite shows and movies, instantly turning your wall into a 300-inch screen, complete with superior Harman Kardon sound. You'll be free to sit back and enjoy the ultimate viewing experience with your loved ones. So, whether you want to learn, create, or have fun, H1 is ready to go wherever you are. Only need audio? Close the lens cap and transform H1 into a standalone Bluetooth speaker, complete with crisp, beautiful Harman Kardon sound. H1's portability and seamless Wi-Fi connectivity means you'll never miss a beat, even in high-pressure situations. Enjoy music, games, and video chats with loved ones, or throw on 3D glasses to immerse yourself in H1's larger-than-life visuals. Chat, snap, and capture special moments with friends and family so you can connect whenever, wherever. XGIMI is reimagining the audio-visual experience. Pre-order H1 today at xgimi.com.